Hey everybody, it's James with Cold School, and I just wanted to do a quick unboxing or unpackaging video. And I'm not actually sure what's in here. I buy several items, so we're going to cut it open and we get to both see what's in here for the first time. Ooh, this one's got stuff in it. All right, okay, I know what these are. Okay, actually, I have some just like this. This is more what I'm looking for here. So these are valves, and the reason I bought these was for a air conditioner, ice chest air conditioner that I'm working on, that you can divert the water or the ice water from an internal reservoir to an external reservoir, and I wanted some valves. Now these were listed as 5/16, but they're obvious, and I have some of these already as well, but you can see they're a little, let's see if we can go ahead and take them out and show them to you. Let's take one of these out real quick. Oops, let you see that. As you can see, well, I guess they're pretty close. So the tubing on this one, the external dimension of the diameter of this is a little, maybe it's a little bigger. It's kind of hard to tell. But anyway, so I got these for a project that I'm gonna be working on. And I've got some others coming as well, so I'm just experimenting. And these are, like I said, you can cut off the flow rate or the flow of the water. And and I always recommend using something that has like a gate valve or a ball valve, as opposed to a water spigot that has the rubber pushing in there. When you turn it, you can keep turning it and keep loosening it up. Eventually, the rubber will wear out. So, but anyway, that's what we got today. And we're building some really cool stuff. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.